Hey guys, we are Aaron and Tracy
Hi.
from Travel or Bust. Today we are on the Royal Caribbean, Odyssey of the Seas, and we met a great group of people that were so kind to let us see their grand suite. It's on the 8th floor, and we're gonna go now and check it out.
Yep, and we're going to get to show you.
Yes, can't wait. So let's go check it out. All right, so we're here at the room. So this is 8th floor, 724. Just waiting for them to answer. And
I don't want to ring the doorbell in case the baby's asleep.
oh, that's true.
Hi.
Hey.
I didn't want to ring the doorbell in case the baby was asleep.
Oh no, they're just picking him up now.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
perfect.
okay.
I'm just trying to straighten up.
Oh, don't worry. Oh my gosh.
Oh my
this is
goodness.
gorgeous. Wow.
So this is, normally they make during the day they make the bed up into the couch again,
Okay.
but Amy didn't, she's just being spoiled. Last time they gave her like a pillow topper, so she asked for that again. So they put that on last night, so it's too hard for them to like
Oh, okay.
put somewhere. So there's like a memory foam pillow topper.
Got you. Do you want to like maybe open some of the drawers and stuff?
Yeah.
I don't want to do that. It's your stuff.
No worries, yeah, we'll just throw these somewhere.
What a beautiful view.
This is their patio.
Wow, look at the patio. What a great place.
You can go out there. Here.
And this is Jen, our lovely,
Oh yeah.
our lovely hostess who so graciously let us see their place.
Of course, the
Wow.
magnificent view.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Oh, another little
Patios come with
chair
the
over
chairs
there.
like this, and some come with the swing.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, that's
nice.
nice.
Very nice. Gosh, look at all the
There's
space
a-
in here.
Upstairs will be up there in a second, but wow.
Look at all the closet space, all the drawers.
This is the
Oh,
mini fridge.
What's
So
the mini fridge?
the suite comes stocked with it.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah. And then your room attendant will put any of your requests in there.
Oh, nice.
And then with plenty of drawers here. All of these are drawers, and
Okay.
then this is like extra stock
Oh, okay.
because the fridge is small.
Awesome.
Nice.
And then look, babe, they've got
A little
Their own espresso
type,
machine.
yeah.
that's cool. Nice big TV.
Oh, wow.
And then there's nightstands with 2 more drawers over there.
Nice.
And this
Okay.
can normally go into a sofa,
Yes.
and then the table goes here.
Yes.
Okay.
And look, there's a shelf over here next to the dining table.
Oh yeah. Tracy likes her storage.
I like my storage.
There's a
Are these
closet.
closets?
No, this one here is a closet.
there's
Oh,
the
that's a closet?
And it goes really deep.
Oh, okay.
So you can store your bags back there.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you store your bags in this closet?
Yeah, they're tucked way behind there.
That is awesome
Oh.
because it goes down the stairs. That's good to know.
Yeah, ours we have to tuck under the bed.
Yes, fantastic.
And this one is the first bathroom.
Okay.
This is gorgeous.
The first bathroom? Okay, thank you.
Oh, no, it's not double top. It's like triple up on stuff.
That's a nice big stall. Thank you.
Yeah, it's actually covered. Because I asked and he said no, but he put a comforter and put it right on
That's
my.
Oh,
what I
okay.
thought we had.
Yeah, just because I wasn't
On
actually.
Oasis, they had an actual like memory foam top.
Yep.
They don't have it here.
No, they don't
Okay.
have it here.
So that's the first floor?
Yep.
Awesome. It's so awesome. you
This
guys.
is nice.
Look at all the room in the bathroom. There's just so much room.
And now the second.
Wow. And there's that beautiful view again.
Wow, imagine waking up that every morning.
I know. And then the TV's over there. And then more nightstands with more
Okay.
storage. And some plugs next to the nightstands. So that's great.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yep. Whoopsie.
Ship's a little wobbly. That's a
It does
Big
not
TV.
come with a playpen. This is for their little sweet
Oh.
guy.
The ship gives it to us. So
Oh,
we have to
really?
bring our
Oh.
own.
Oh,
Okay.
so the ship did give them
The
this.
ship provided little
That's nice.
bassinet.
And
That's
when we're trying to
awesome.
all hang out in the room, we shove them back in the closet.
I love it.
And then all of this is storage.
Okay.
We can even take up
That's a nice
everything we
little
needed
desk.
to.
Yeah, it's a nice desk. Is there a fridge here?
No, just downstairs.
It's just downstairs.
And then
Nice.
Oh, this is nice.
And then 2 closets.
Holy cow, that's some closet space.
So like the space for shoes and a
Oh
safe.
my
Oh, wow.
goodness.
This is here for like, I guess, jewelry and stuff.
Okay, that's nice.
What Tracy could do with that.
Oh yeah.
And more. This one is for like the dresses.
Oh, okay. Oh, he's more
And we were able
storage.
to fill our luggage.
That's
That's
nice.
great.
Great that you can put the luggage in there.
And it comes with umbrellas for the days that it's like pouring.
Wow.
Okay.
So they provide you with everything.
Yeah. And then 4 more drawers down here.
Wow.
Nice.
Underwear drawer.
Actually, a total of 8 doors. And this is the upstairs.
So awesome.
Looks like more storage.
Yeah,
Wow.
those are like pretty much empty, but yeah, you can
Holy
do.
cow, this
Yeah.
is nicer than my bathroom at home.
You can pull the bottom one. I don't think we even have anything in there.
Nice.
Wow.
And then every day they replenish
Huge.
our pool towels, so we don't have to worry about stopping at the desk.
Shower stall.
Nice. Beautiful.
Wow.
Just think you could have a regular shower in there, babe.
In the tube.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
And what was the exact name? This is the Grand.
Colin, what's the name of this?
What's the name of what?
Suite.
Grand Loft, the Grand Loft.
Oh, the Grand Loft Suite. Oh, great.
Boat nerds. All they do is watch videos of boats all the time.
All right, you guys. So that was the Grand Loft Suite.
Wow.
What an amazing room that was. That
Wow.
was just.
And the genie. Holy cow, the genie is like a butler, and they replenish all your drinks. You can order room service. They bring it, or not even room service. You can order steaks and lobster. They bring it right to your room. You can eat it there. What else? If you want to watch a show, they'll get the reservations for you. Oh my gosh, amazing.
They handle all your guest service needs. It's just amazing. It's just
Yeah. And our friends that let us video their room, they've got a little 2-year-old, and so it's great. They can say, oh, well, we want him to go to the daycare for like 3 hours, and the genie just arranges it. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's almost makes you want to not get a balcony anymore.
I know.
But
I'm
you need
scared
to.
to upgrade because then I'll be too spoiled.
Yeah, but you need to. I mean, it is a 2-room suite, obviously, but man, that's really nice.
It was nice.
Yeah.
And we're so grateful that they shared that with us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yes, we thank them so much. But let us know what you guys think. We're curious what you think about that. Let us in the bottom comments, questions about it. Also, I'm going to take this time. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Yes.
We need you.
Yes, it helps the channel out, and it's free. Doesn't cost you anything. And with that, you guys, hey, thank you so much for watching.
Have a great day.
Bye.